Hello everyone, this is Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards. Check out this mini 6-ball run-out drill. Enjoy. I just wanted to show you a game. I actually found it on another YouTube channel, Tor Lowry. Tor Lowry, I can barely say it. Excellent guy. That guy, he knows his stuff, alright? I mean, I learned most of my stuff from him. Dr. Dave Billiards, you know, FX Billiards. Little Chris, there's a bunch, you know. Ron the pool student there, he's a good guy. There's a bunch, I recommend all those channels, you know. This is just a fun training session. Alright, Tor, he does it in order. I'm just throwing random balls on the table, 6 of them. And just kind of like, if something goes in the pocket, replace it and just throw it, you know, like that. That might be going in. Nope, okay. Then you get the cue ball and the ball in hand. It's a fun little game, you know. Practice. I mean, for you advanced players, you can go in order. That's fun too, actually. I'll probably do that later. Now, just a nice little easy run out here. That's a good one there. Let's set this up. I'm going to call this and that, then call over here for that. Try it that way. And then, you know, if you get these, you can add a ball. Just keep on trying. If you miss one, you gotta start over. Not hard enough. I'm gonna call it right here, but I don't know, right here. It's not easy though, especially at this angle. Nope, just barely. So I start over, alright? Let's do it. Let's take this off the table. 6 more. But you get the gist. Nice game. Alright, that's those. Let's get that out of the way. Alright, let's try it again. So like this. I don't know if it'll be over here. Nah, I'm just gonna do it. It's not gonna set me up too good, I don't think. Alright, I bumped it, so that helped. I'll just bring it back. Yeah, right in. Can't scratch though. Alright, so there you go. So, you know, you can do that way, you can do it that way. Add another ball, continue on like that until you miss. Go back to, so if I passed the 6-ball stage, so now you go to the 7-ball stage. You know? Alright, so that's about it. Hope you enjoyed that. Check out all those channels I mentioned, they're good guys.